In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draw.io, now called Diagrams.net, in both Confluence and Jira, starting from installing the app all the way to creating and attaching diagrams inside your pages and issues. We'll begin with the installation, because none of the features will appear until the app is properly added to your Atlassian environment. First, make sure you have the right permissions to install apps in your Confluence or Jira instance. Usually this means being an admin. From the main navigation, open the admin or settings area and look for the section called Marketplace or Manage Apps. Here, you can search the Atlassian Marketplace directly. Type Draw.io or Diagrams.net into the search bar. When you see the Diagrams.net app for Confluence or Jira, open it. Review the description to confirm it's the official one, and then click the Install or Add button. Give it a moment to finish. Once it's installed, Diagrams.net will be available across your site. Now let's move into Confluence. Open or create a Confluence page where you want the diagram to appear. Edit the page, then use the / command in the editor. Type /draw.io or start typing the word draw until you see the Diagrams.net macro appear in the suggestions. Select that macro. This is how you either create a new diagram or embed an existing one directly in the page. When the Diagrams.net window opens, you can choose a blank diagram or one of the available templates. Templates are helpful if you're building common diagrams like flowcharts, network diagrams, or org charts. Once you've chosen, use the shapes on the left, drag them into the canvas, and connect them with arrows. You can rename the diagram to something meaningful so it's easier to find later. When you're done, save and exit. The diagram will now appear in your Confluence page as an embedded, interactive element that you can reopen and edit anytime. Next, let's use Diagrams.net in Jira. Open a Jira issue where you want to attach a diagram. In the top right area of the issue, look for the 3-dot More menu. Click it, and you should see an option related to Diagrams.net, often labeled Draw.io or similar. Select that option to create a new diagram for this issue. The editor will open, just like in Confluence. Build your diagram the same way, then save it. In Jira, the diagram is stored as an attachment on the issue. That means team members can open it directly from the issue, update it, and keep all the visual documentation tied to the work item itself. This keeps your diagrams organized, versioned, and always connected to the tasks or documentation they support.